Good morning. It's Friday, May 12th. No, it's Friday, May 20th. My goal right now is 6 miles to Brushy Mountain Outpost, where I'm gonna get a hamburger and a milkshake. And then I don't know how many more miles I'm gonna do. I'm trying to make it to Woods Hole Hostel by Sunday. Well, I need to call and see if they have any beds. If they have beds, I'm gonna go there. And then I will hang out in Harrisburg for 2 nights, Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, so me and Speedway split ways today, so it's weird. It's like starting over, hiking by myself. No, but Karma and Not Yet are kind of on the same kind of path, which is cool. So I think I'll be hiking around them for a few days. And then hopefully yard sale catches up. If not, I'll make new friends, new family, or just get really serious and start knocking out some big miles. So we shall see. It rained last night. Luckily only my rain fly was wet today, so it's not too heavy. So yeah, that's the plan this morning. I'm ready for a hamburger. Gotta get that red meat in somehow. A little bit of a view. Oh, this breeze is nice. I wouldn't be mad if we follow this road all the way to the Brushy Mountain Outpost. It's kind of nice. Can you see the sweat? I'm gonna have to go to electrolytes twice a day now to keep myself hydrated. Jamming my girl Brady Carlisle right now. She's probably like my favorite music artist. Guess what time it is? Hamburgers and milkshakes. Normal day, another road. Oh my gosh, I just ate so much food. I had a bacon cheeseburger, Cajun fries, double scoop ice cream, strawberry cheesecake and banana pudding, and orange juice, and a sweet tea. Now I'm carrying 3 liters of water because we have really long water stretches, and the shelter's like a quarter mile away off the trail, and I'm not going to that shelter, or I don't need to go to that shelter, so I'm hoping this is enough water for camp tonight, coffee in the morning, and for like the next 6 or 7 miles. And then yeah, just weird long stretches of no good water sources. But there might be some water caches along the way. If there is, I'll camel up, fill up, and then I am getting me a bed, like I said, at Woods Hole Hostel on Sunday night. I have Dismal Falls tomorrow, which if it's this toasty, I am gonna go swimming, but I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, maybe. But if it is warm, I'm swimming, 100%. Oh, and then we were at that Brushy Mountain Outpost, and there was some people doing like a bike tour or whatever, like motorcycle bikes. Anyways, he had all this food. Probably dropped like $100 worth of food between like backpacker meals, and I got like a whole can of, like a thing of instant coffee, like Starbucks instant coffee, chicken pad thai, which is my favorite. Yeah, so thanks, man. Like, super appreciative. They're done today, so he was just offloading all of his stuff to us. Another day, another sketchy road crossing. Yeah. It's like 90 degrees today. Maybe 85. It feels like 90 though. Hello there. She or he, I don't know. Directly on trail. Trying to give it space. Apparently we both have the same path. Go on, baby. It's not even afraid of me. It's so strange. Usually they'll take off in bolts by now. Hi there. So cool. Come on. If you're coming this way, come on. Which way are you going? Are you thirsty too? Keep going. I don't want to scare it more. It does not seem to be fazed by me though. Try to scoot off the trail a little bit more and see if it'll continue on. Interesting. Normally deer will just like bolt off the trail most of the time, unless like you're in areas where they're used to humans and humans feed them. There you go, baby. Good job. I'm sorry. It's okay. Just gonna walk past you. It had the same idea. It just wants to get on trail. Curious. I'm gonna wait and see if it gets like on the trail behind me. Huh. Interesting. Guess what? 600, baby. Alright, so I am almost to the Ginny Nom shelter. I love how probably for the last 8 miles, in increments of like 1 to 3 miles, I convinced myself to do a 19-mile day. So I was going to camp on that ridge line, but it was 5 o'clock and I was like, oh. I saw that somebody had did a water cache at the road and there's tent sites, so I was like, oh, I'll just go there. So I made it to the road. Water cache was gone, which was fine. I still had enough water. And then the tent sites were right off the road and no one else was like camping there, and I didn't feel comfortable camping by myself by a road. So it was 6:30 and I said, you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna go. It's only 3 more miles to the shelter. There'll be water. I don't have to ration. I can just drink it. It is now 7:31. I don't know where that energy came from, but I'm glad it came because I'm here and plenty of time to set up camp. And now I have water in the morning. And I bet Ringo is here. And he's gonna be so happy to see me.